Do you feel like you don't speak enough Thai? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Welcome to thaipod101.com's Learn Thai in 3 minutes, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Thai. สวัสดีค่ะ ดิฉันชื่อรวินพรค่ะ Hello, my name is Ravin Porn. I've just introduced myself in Thai. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Thai. It's super easy and it takes only 3 minutes. First of all, we have สวัสดี Hello. สวัสดี Then, if you are male, just add ครับ and if you are female, just add ค่ะ at the end of the sentence to increase politeness level. ผมชื่อ your name ครับ ดิฉันชื่อ your name ค่ะ My name is. Let's break down this sentence. ผม and ดิฉัน means I. ผม can be used only by males, while ดิฉัน can be used only by females. If you are male, you should say ผม your name ครับ If you are female, ดิฉัน your name ค่ะ ชื่อ is a verb which means to name. For example, for me สวัสดีค่ะ ดิฉันชื่อรวินพรค่ะ If you are male, for example, this guy สุภชัย สวัสดีครับ ผมชื่อสุภชัยครับ Time to practice. Please repeat after me. Ladies first. สวัสดีค่ะ ดิฉันชื่อ ค่ะ Good job. Now it's the guy's turn. สวัสดีครับ ผมชื่อ ครับ Good job. Now it's time for Ravin Porn's hint. Ta-da! You can shorten this sentence to your name, ครับ or ค่ะ You can omit the subject ผม or ดิฉัน in this sentence, and the level of the sentence is still formal enough for business situation. For example, สวัสดีค่ะ รวินพรค่ะ Remember, when meeting Thai for the first time, always use formal language. See how easy it is to introduce yourself in Thai? In next lesson, we'll learn more about greeting and how to why. See you next time.
Hello everyone, welcome to Top Words with me, Jay. Today we are going to do the 10 lines you need for introducing yourself. Okay, let's begin. ฉันมาจากประเทศไทย I'm from Thailand. ฉันมาจากประเทศไทย I'm from Thailand. I'm Jay and I'm from Thailand. Specifically from Bangkok. You can use this sentence to introduce yourself. ฉันสนุกกับการฟังเพลง I enjoy listening to music. ฉันสนุกกับการฟังเพลง I enjoy listening to music. What kind of genre do you like? Like for me, I love pop and acoustic. I know not many people love acoustic, like it's very niche, but I loved it. In Thailand, we have all types of genre. Like there are a lot of artists in Thailand. My favorite is called Stamp. Yes, it's the stamped on a letter, but that's the name of the artist, and he's very good. You should check that out. ฉันอายุ 26 ปี I'm 26 years old. ฉันอายุ 26 ปี I'm 26 years old. So ฉันอายุ is I am, and then you put your age in between, and then you end with B, which is years old. So ฉันอายุ 26 ปี I'm 26 years old. In Thailand, girls prefer not to tell their age. I mean, if they are young, it's fine. But if they are a bit older, then they don't feel comfortable to say that. ฉันอาศัยอยู่ในกรุงเทพ I live in Bangkok. ฉันอาศัยอยู่ในกรุงเทพ I live in Bangkok. Luckily, my place in Bangkok is in the metropolis area, so it's around the train station, so it's very convenient for me to travel around. But as you know, Bangkok is very huge. So if you live somewhere further away, then yeah, that's a problem for traveling around Bangkok. And I used to have that problem before because when I was younger, I lived quite far away from the heart of Bangkok. ฉันเป็นครู I'm a teacher. ฉันเป็นครู I'm a teacher. ฉันเป็น is I am and then followed by your occupation. For example, I am still a student. I would say ฉันเป็นนักเรียน I'm a student. ฉันได้เรียนภาษาไทยมา1 ปี I've been learning Thai for a year. ฉันได้เรียนภาษาไทยมา1 ปี I have been learning Thai for a year. ฉันได้เรียนภาษาไทยมา I have been learning Thai for, and then if you have been learning Thai for 2 years, 3 years, then you just put that at the end. ชื่อของฉันคือ J. My name is J. ชื่อของฉันคือ J. My name is J. This one is pretty easy, huh? J is actually my nickname, and I have my real name and my surname. But Thai people usually call each other by their nicknames. I mean, if you have a Thai friend, you would understand this because Thai names, a common Thai names are very long, so it's very difficult to remember. That's why we have nicknames. หนึ่งในงานอดิเรกของฉันคือการอ่าน One of my hobbies is reading. หนึ่งในงานอดิเรกของฉันคือการอ่าน One of my hobbies is reading. I love drawing. I have my own blogs, and I love writing. So that's my hobby. So what is yours? ฉันเรียนภาษาไทยจาก thaipod101.com. I'm learning Thai at thaipod101.com. ฉันเรียนภาษาไทยจาก thaipod101.com. I'm learning Thai at thaipod101.com. I study other languages, for example, Japanese and English. This is a very useful website. ฉันโสด I'm single. ฉันโสด I'm single. This one is quite funny, but if you're close to the person, then yeah, you can use it. And that is the end of today's Thai words. If you have any question, please let us know. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.
Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Conversation About Family Well-Being PDF cheat sheet for free. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง เธอสบายดี
Once more with the English translation.
แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง
How's your mother?
เธอสบายดี
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, How's your mother? That's.
แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง
Listen to it again.
แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
เธอ
state of well-being. But it translates as she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
เธอสบายดี เธอสบายดี
Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great,
สบายดีมาก สบายดีมาก
fine,
สบายดี สบายดี
so-so,
เรื่อยเรื่อยเรื่อยเรื่อย
not good,
ไม่ดี ไม่ดี
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง เธอสบายดีมาก แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง เธอเรื่อยๆแม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง เธอไม่ดี
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, How's your mother?
แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say, Great?
สบายดีมาก สบายดีมาก
Say, She's great.
เธอสบายดีมาก
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง เธอสบายดีมาก
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
เรื่อยเรื่อยเรื่อยเรื่อย
Say, she's so-so.
เธอเรื่อยเรื่อย
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง เธอเรื่อยเรื่อย
Now imagine she's not good. Do you remember how to say not good?
ไม่ดี ไม่ดี
Say, she's not good.
เธอไม่ดี
Now, answer the question saying she's not good.
แม่คุณเป็นไงบ้าง เธอไม่ดี
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell me how you are today. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Remember, Here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.